WashDay.
So today we're going to be doing a protein treatment, and I'm using her shampoo cap so that she doesn't get any shampoo or any treatment in her eyes. So I have pre-put her hair and sectioned it, as you can see, and I'm just going to rinse that out before I apply my shampoo. So I'm using the As I Am Coil Clarity Shampoo. It's a clarifying shampoo, and I'm using that because I'm doing a protein treatment, so I want to ensure that her scalp is well cleansed and her hair is also well cleansed, so that when the protein treatment is put on her hair, it binds the protein properly. So I wash her hair in sections, although I'm not using clips, but I'm trying to maintain the sections just so that I can concentrate on each section properly. And when I'm washing, I'm using the pads of my finger to wash and not scratching her scalp. So ignore me, I'm using a sample that I had. I mean, why not? So yeah, that has all been washed, and now we're going to rinse it out. So if you notice, the water is a little bit yellow, and that's just because of the oil used for her pre-poo. I use my Ayurvedic oil, and you can see how I made that there. Besides that, you can also pre-poo your hair using coconut oil or any other penetrating oil. So her hair is rinsed. I ensure that it's rinsed properly, and then the next thing I'll do would be to add the protein treatment. So the protein treatment I'll be using is the Aphogee, I have said it wrongly, the Aphogee 2-step protein treatment, and this is what it looks like. So I start with step 1, but I transferred it to an applicator bottle for ease of application, because the treatment is really watery and sometimes it can go all over the place. So I find that putting it in a little applicator bottle is helpful for easier application. So I put that treatment on the different sections of her hair and then just twist them away, and then we dry them. So what I was trying to say is that you should dry the hair after the step 1 has been put on before you rinse it out, and it's right there on the instruction section of the bottle. So the next thing I'll do after rinsing out would be to apply step 2, which is the Balancing Moisturizer. So the Balancing Moisturizer would help restore moisture, change the pH, because the pH of the protein treatment is very low, so this will bring it up, because our hair is usually around 4.5 to 5 on the pH scale, so we need something to bring back the pH so that the hair is well balanced and won't start to break. So yeah, it adds moisture and balances the hair. So I put that through, and this Balancing Moisturizer has a lot of slip. So we've rinsed her out again, and she seems to be really excited about her wash day today because she's really enjoying having a bath. So once that is all rinsed out, that's everything. It's now to go style the hair, moisturize the hair, style the hair, and we're good to go. What video would you like to see next? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to anyone who would need it. Bye.